Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can download Spotify music uh, offline. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, it should be in Spotify, and when you're gonna be here, click on a playlist that you have, and right next to the filter under the followers you're gonna see button download. Again, you can go to here and I can click here again, download, and right now it will automatically download every single song right here. So yeah, click here, download, and voila. Again, same for here. Some nights I can click this download and voila, I got it. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. If this video was helpful, you can support and subscribe. You know how it goes, you know how it works. So